Hello, everyone. Let me begin by asking you this. Was there a time in your life when you were faced with a situation and you needed to make a fair decision that would be life changing for others and for yourself? And for you to do so, you had to step back, clear your mind from personal biases, and approach the situation as objective as possible? Because for me, as a teacher and as a person, I have been to such situations many times that I can remember. My PhD research project will be about formation of objective knowledge and utilizing this knowledge in professional decision making. My research supervisor, Dr. Stephanie Shutpin, created the Objective Knowledge Growth Framework, or the OKGF, as a tool for decision making. The OKGF is grounded in Karl Popper's theory on objective knowledge. Karl Popper is a science philosopher in the 20th century. He rejects inductivist approach to research and argues that if there is such a thing as growing human knowledge, then we cannot anticipate today what we can only know tomorrow. For Popper, new knowledge is formed by continuous refutation of what is already learned. We learned in Edu 8105 that, like Popper, there are many different theories relating to knowledge formation. For example, Ibrahim argues that the word black is an empty signifier. It has no inherent meaning unless it is perceived, acknowledged, and situated within historical, social, political, symbolic, and signifying system. This suggests that the formation of concepts or ideas is based on social processes which involve making meanings with others, such that black is an empty word until we decide to put meaning into it. In my final paper, I plan to argue that awareness of how knowledge is socially and contextually constructed is crucial in the formation of objective knowledge. In other words, objective knowledge is built upon what Ibrahim calls our subjectivities or personal biases. In the situation I mentioned at the outset, how would you know that you made an objective decision? Does the OKGF guarantee the users a bias-free or objective decision? While the answer for this is no, as we are all aware that our mind operates in different ways depending on where we are coming from. Awareness of theoretical underpinnings on knowledge formation empowers us to develop well-informed resolutions. Therefore, whenever we are faced with situations calling for sound and fair resolutions, I believe it is worth asking ourselves, how do I know what I know? Thank you.